If you feel like you're not who you're supposed to be, if deep down you sense that your current life does not reflect the greatness you know exists within, you're not alone. Many people reach a point where the gap between who they are and who they could become becomes too painful to ignore. This is the moment that divides the dreamers from the doers. And I say to you now, with urgency and absolute conviction, it is time to rebuild. Rebuilding isn't weakness, it is wisdom. It's the recognition that staying the same is the most dangerous choice of all. Change doesn't come by chance, it comes by commitment. Your future will not be given, it must be earned. And to earn it, you must become the kind of person success is seeking. Let's start with the power of decision. Every transformation in human history began with a decision. One clear, defiant moment when someone said, no more. No more waiting. No more excuses. No more delay. When you decide, truly decide, the universe shifts. Your energy aligns. Opportunities begin to appear. But this only happens when your decision is not a whisper. It must be a roar. A non-negotiable truth that you live by from this day forward. The first building block is resilience. You will be tested. Life will challenge your dreams with hardships, setbacks, and fear. But every great leader, innovator, and legend you've ever heard of, they all had moments where quitting looked easier. But they didn't quit. They rebuilt. They got back up. Not because it was easy, but because staying down was never an option. Resilience isn't about surviving. It's about rising. And every time you do, you become stronger than before. Next comes belief. If you do not believe in your ability to grow, to win, to evolve, then you will never access your full power. The world reflects what you project. If you show up full of doubt, your future will shrink in response. But if you show up with belief, unshakable, unapologetic belief, the world will open. Believe in your worth. Believe in your power. And speak that belief into existence every single day. Then lock in a definite purpose. Not a vague idea, not a floating goal, a definite purpose. Something that keeps you awake at night and pulls you out of bed in the morning. Purpose gives you direction. It gives meaning to your sacrifice and strategy to your hustle. Without purpose, your power leaks. With purpose, your potential becomes unstoppable. From that purpose, you ignite passion. Passion is what gives fuel to the fire. It's the emotion behind the motion. It turns routine into rhythm and struggle into strength. Passion is not something you wait to feel. It's something you choose to cultivate. Every day, you feed it by doing the work that lights your soul. And when you combine purpose with passion, you become a force that cannot be ignored. But all of this means nothing without discipline. Discipline is what carries you when motivation fades. It's waking up when it's hard, showing up when it's inconvenient, pushing forward when you feel like quitting. Discipline isn't punishment. It's proof that you've chosen growth over comfort. Layer in continuous learning. Understand this truth. You will never know enough. The moment you stop learning is the moment you stop rising. Study yourself. Study others. Study everything. The more you grow in knowledge, the more tools you'll have to navigate the challenges ahead. A sharp mind cuts through any obstacle. And above all, protect your attitude. Because mindset is the gatekeeper of your progress. A negative mind will always sabotage a positive life. You must choose optimism, not because life is easy, but because it is powerful. Train your mind to see possibility where others see problems. Speak hope. Breathe belief. Respond to chaos with clarity. Adaptability is next. Those who thrive are not always the strongest. They are the most adaptable. When life shifts, don't freeze. Move. Pivot. Evolve. Do not cling to who you were. Focus on who you are becoming. Flexibility and strategy. Firmness and vision. That is how you endure and expand. And finally, serve. True power is not just what you build for yourself. It's what you give to others. Serve with passion. Lead with love. Share your strength. Lift others while you climb. Because success without significance is hollow. But when you serve, your success becomes sacred. Now let me speak to your heart. You've waited long enough. You've doubted yourself long enough. You've played small long enough. This is not the end. It's the beginning. Your past does not define you. Your pain does not disqualify you. In fact, it has prepared you. Every failure, every heartbreak, every delay, it was preparing you for this moment, this version of you, the one who is ready to rise. So rebuild yourself, not as a reaction, but as a revolution. Rebuild with purpose, with pride, with power. Do not seek comfort, seek challenge. Do not seek ease, seek evolution. Because the version of you that will live your dream life isn't found, it's forged. Rebuild even when you feel broken. Rebuild especially when no one is watching. Because the habits you form in the silence will echo in your legacy. The quiet mornings, the late nights, the extra reps, the ignored distractions, they're all bricks in the foundation of your comeback. Rebuild through action, not just intention. This world is full of people who plan, who hope, who wish. Be the one who does. Take messy action. Move even when it's uncertain. The perfect time is not coming. The perfect version of you is not waiting around the corner. They are being built in real time by the decisions you make today. Rebuild your environment. Audit the spaces and voices around you. Surround yourself with people who challenge your growth, not comfort your excuses. You cannot become new in the presence of what's keeping you old. Protect your space like it's sacred, because it is. Rebuild your standards. Stop negotiating with your potential. Stop settling for half effort, half focus, half dreams. You were not born to live halfway. You were born to become whole, to stand tall, to inspire others through the sheer power of your example. Raise the bar, then raise it again, and rebuild your vision, not just what you want to achieve, but who you want to become. Get specific, see it clearly, speak it daily, let it consume you, let it pull you forward when discipline fades and passion flickers. A clear vision is a magnet. It draws energy, opportunity, and momentum straight to you. So I leave you with this. The world does not need more people who conform. It needs more people who commit. People who choose every single day to rise in defiance of their fears and in alignment with their future. People who live with fire in their belly and purpose in their spine. You are not broken. You are becoming. You are not behind. You are building. You are not done. You are just getting started. Let today be the turning point. Let this be your rise. Let this moment mark the beginning of a life rebuilt with intention, discipline, and destiny. Now stand tall. Clench your fists if you must. Wipe your tears if they fall. But whatever you do, don't stop. Don't fold. Don't look back. Rebuild yourself until the world no longer recognizes you. Then walk into your future, head high, heart open, unstoppable. And when they ask how you did it, tell them you rebuilt yourself brick by brick, day by day, not because it was easy, but because you refused to stay broken. You didn't wait. You didn't wish. You decided. And that decision made you unshakable in the face of fear, unbreakable in the storm, unstoppable in your pursuit. Because from that moment on, you stopped waiting for permission and started moving with purpose. You stopped shrinking to fit the world and started expanding to shape it, and the world took notice.